Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys along on the behind the scenes photo shoot of an editorial photo shoot that I did. It was more or less a collaboration between all of us, so the makeup artist, the models, and then me. And actually the makeup artist knew exactly what he wanted, so he had shared a mood board with us, so we knew what he was going to do. And I also knew the kind of lighting that was going to flatter the looks that he was looking for or looking to create. So speaking of the lighting, what I decided to do was to use a softbox so I can have a soft light on my subject. And I added a second light, which is a rim light, just to, make them pop off the background. If you're following my channel for a long time now, you notice I like to do two lights when I'm shooting beauty. So for the backdrop, I chose my Kate backdrop, the canvas backdrop, which has a little bit of glow in the middle. And the reason for this is I just wanted to fake like a third light without necessarily adding a third light to it. And that also is just going to add more depth and interest to our backdrop. So coming back on to my lighting, after I figured out the ratios for my main light and my rim light, I now added like a large reflector on the side just to open up the shadows on that side a little bit more. As you know, I don't like to keep my light straight onto my subject. I'm always moving it a little bit off center, so that automatically is going to throw any shadows to the opposite side of that light. And I just bring in that reflector, that large reflector, to open up the shadows so that it's not as contrasty and moody as it would have been without that reflector. Alright, so that's it. That's everything that happened on the set. I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, don't ever give up.